This is not your typical baked spaghetti. This is a $1 million spicy baked spaghetti with layers of meaty red sauce and creamy carbonara with an oozing cheese. At least masasabi mo sa bisita mo, gusto nyo ba ng $1 million? We will need mushrooms, but you can use canned mushroom if hindi available. You dice the mushrooms into chunks and dice also some white onion and mince the garlic. Then I have this Fiesta creamy carbonara pack. Meron 700 grams na spaghetti at carbonara sauce. Cook the spaghetti noodles until al dente. Saute the aromatics such as the onions and garlic. Once that's brown, add in 1/2 kilo of ground beef. Add 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 beef cube, and for spice, add 4 tablespoons of sriracha. Make sure to drain the oil before adding in the mushrooms. And here's the main ingredient, which is the sweet spaghetti sauce ng Fiesta. And the second main ingredient is their carbonara sauce. Also, sakto lang yung pack ng noodles sa carbonara sauce. Kaya $1 million siguro tawag dito kasi ang dami mong natipid. Kapag maliit yung tray mo, dalawa yung magagawa mo dito. Pero if you have a large tray, isa lang magagawa mo. First layer is the carbonara, red sauce, and then we add the cheese. Repeat this until you reach the top. Bake this at the oven